The holidays are almost here, and you have to start thinking about gifts, get-togethers, and other cozy activities. But have you thought about how the tutorials on Craftsy can help? Here are our top 5 holiday tutorials on Craftsy. If you have gifts on the mind, what about sweet and savory food gifts? This series of tutorials will go over how to make food gifts like limoncello, chocolate bark, and more, and even have a tutorial on packaging your gifts. Not feeling edible gifts? What about crochet stuffed animals? This beginner amigurumi course will show you how to make a bunny, a bear, and a unicorn. What if you're hosting a get-together and you need to gussy up your place with some holiday decor? Check out this series of tutorials and make a wreath, a macrame wall hanging, and some more fun holiday crafts. What if you're going to a get-together and you said you'd bring a cake? Like, you can make the cake part, but you want to make it a little more holiday festive. Well, they got tutorials for that too. You could turn your cake into a polar bear, a snowman, a reindeer, and a penguin. Okay, but what if you finally have some downtime from all the holiday bustle and you know what you've always wanted to do? Learn to draw a blue jay perched on an evergreen tree in the snow. Or draw birds in general. Here's a tutorial that will teach you to do just that. So check out Craftsy and a bunch of other resources for the holidays by visiting mississaugalibrary.ca/holidays.